It's time to make predictions for what could be the biggest and the best SummerSlam event of all time. The card is packed with 7 blockbuster WWE matches, with almost all of them having potential to be show stealers. So without further ado, at first, let's take a rundown to the card of SummerSlam 2024 before making the predictions for every single match on the card. Sami Zayn is set to defend his WWE Intercontinental Championship against Braun Breaker. United States Champion Logan Paul will defend his championship against the megastar LA Knight. Bayley will defend her WWE Women's Championship against Nia Jax. Rhea Ripley will challenge Liv Morgan for the Women's World Championship, a title belt that she never lost. CM Punk will take on Drew McIntyre in a singles match that's being built up for almost a year at this point, with special guest referee Seth freaking Rollins. The World Heavyweight Championship will be decided in a singles match between Damian Priest and Gunther. The undisputed WWE Champion Cody Rhodes will take on Solo Sikoa in what could possibly be the main event of the night. So first, let's take a look at the Intercontinental Championship match between Sami Zayn and Braun Breaker. At WWE Money in the Bank 2024, Braun Breaker challenged Zayn for the Intercontinental title but ended up losing the match, and the WWE Universe was left dumbstruck with this decision. Braun Breaker has been being pushed as a monster for quite some time now, and him losing to Sami Zayn was surprising for the WWE Universe. It's no secret that WWE sees a future megastar in Braun Breaker, and he will become a world champion somewhere down the line, a multiple-time world champion. There is absolutely no way that Braun Breaker loses to Sami Zayn for the second time in a row, that too at an event of the magnitude of SummerSlam. So Sami Zayn's Intercontinental Championship reign that started at WrestleMania 40 earlier this year will finally end at the biggest party of the summer, when Braun Breaker defeats him and starts a monumental, a dominant reign as the Intercontinental Champion on the main roster. After that, we have the United States Championship match between Logan Paul and LA Knight. It won't be a stretch to call Logan Paul the worst United States Champion of all time. He won the belt by defeating WWE Hall of Famer Rey Mysterio in Saudi Arabia and hasn't defended it much since then. As for this match, the WWE Universe has been wanting to see Logan Paul vs LA Knight for quite some time now, and the match is finally happening at the biggest party of the summer, SummerSlam 2024. Logan Paul has held the United States Championship for way past its expiry date, and his title reign has been incredibly boring. I think that it's almost a lock that LA Knight will finally win a big title by defeating Logan Paul at SummerSlam 2024 and will become the new WWE United States Champion. During Nia Jax's previous WWE run, she was called the most dangerous superstar because of how reckless she was towards her co-workers in the ring. She came back to WWE in September 2023 and has been on the run of a lifetime. She recently won the Queen of the Ring title in Saudi Arabia, and it's almost a guarantee at this point that she will defeat Bayley, the role model, to become the WWE Women's Champion. Now the question comes, will Tiffany Stratton cash in her Money in the Bank briefcase on Nia Jax after she defeats Bayley for the WWE Women's Championship? I think that WWE will let this story play out for a few months before Tiffany Stratton finally cashes in her Money in the Bank briefcase on a champion Nia Jax and thus turns face in the process. Tiffany Stratton is incredibly popular among the WWE fans and will do great as a babyface on the main roster. And then comes one of the two most anticipated matches at SummerSlam in my opinion. Liv Morgan vs Rhea Ripley for the Women's World Championship. The Liv Morgan Revenge Tour kicked off after WrestleMania when Liv injured Rhea Ripley for real and went on to win her Women's World title by defeating Becky Lynch in Saudi Arabia. For the past 3 months, Liv Morgan has been involved in a romantic storyline with Dominic Mysterio that ended when Rhea Ripley came back to WWE Raw, and Dominic made it clear to Liv that he loves Rhea, not her. This storyline has been the most entertaining part of WWE Raw for the past 3 months, and fans can't wait to see Liv Morgan take on Rhea Ripley in this epic match at SummerSlam. These two women are all set to beat the tar out of each other, but in my opinion, Dominic Mysterio will finally turn full-fledged heel and betray Rhea Ripley by siding with Liv Morgan and helping her defeat the Nightmare. Rhea Ripley, Mami, has been getting babyface reactions for quite some time now, and she will do incredibly well as a babyface going forward, while Dominic Mysterio is built to become a heel, and he will do even better after he betrays Rhea Ripley at SummerSlam. The second most anticipated match in my opinion, CM Punk vs Drew McIntyre. It's quite hard to predict who will win this match. Punk has cost McIntyre a lot over the past few months. Several World Championship opportunities were cost at the hands of Punk, and Drew McIntyre will finally exact revenge on CM Punk at SummerSlam. How Seth Rollins plays a part in this match and in the ending of this match, only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, no matter who wins, these three men will continue their storyline all the way to WrestleMania next year. And we will probably get a World Heavyweight Championship triple threat match featuring Seth freaking Rollins, CM Punk and Drew McIntyre at WrestleMania 41. Then comes the World Heavyweight Championship match between Damian Priest and Gunther. I am 100% sure that Damian Priest's run as World Heavyweight Champion is finally all set to come to an end at SummerSlam 2024. Gunther has done everything he can as an upper mid-card act for a few months now, and now it's finally time for him to ascend to the throne, to grab the top prize, the top gold, the World Heavyweight Championship. And he will 100% do that at SummerSlam this year. Many fans believe that Damian Priest's run as World Heavyweight Champion left a lot to be desired, and that won't be the case with Gunther, the ring general. And finally, we have the main event. Undisputed WWE Champion Cody Rhodes vs Solo Sikoa. The final moments of this match will see either Roman Reigns come out and make his big return, or either Hikuleo, the former NJPW star, make his WWE debut. One of these two will make an appearance during the final moments of this match and attack either of Cody Rhodes or Solo Sikoa. If Roman Reigns returns, he will attack Solo Sikoa. If Hikuleo makes his debut, he will attack Cody Rhodes and help Solo Sikoa win the undisputed WWE Championship. I believe that Roman Reigns will finally return at SummerSlam. It's been too long at this point, several months at this point, and there's not a bigger stage than SummerSlam for Roman Reigns to make his return. He returned at SummerSlam in 2020, 4 years ago, and kicked off the Tribal Chief storyline. He will return again at SummerSlam this year, attack Solo Sikoa and turn babyface in the process, helping Cody Rhodes retain his undisputed WWE Championship and cementing himself as a top babyface on the blue brand. So these are my SummerSlam 2024 predictions. Let me know what you think of them and drop your predictions in the comments below as well.